Teiger, the cloth for effortless dough residue removal. The Teiger is a versatile tool to remove batter and dough from all baking utensils, including baking bowls, dough kneading tools, and other cooking and baking aids. It is also perfectly suitable to clean your hands and to remove burnt-on food. Thanks to the high-quality material, it is robust and cleans quickly, gently and easily without sticking. Thanks to its surface structure, dough residues are removed with light movements, with no need to use force and consuming significantly less water. Sticky and smelly sponges or rags are a thing of the past. To clean, the Teiger is simply rinsed off under running water. For more effective results, we recommend cleaning in the dishwasher or washing machine. The Teiger is made exclusively in Germany. During the production process, we pay special attention to care and top quality to ensure long-lasting use. Teiger, brilliant, simple, innovative.